So today in this video we shall factorize x square minus 4x plus 4. So first we factorize the last number 4. So it is 2 times 2 means 4. So the numbers we got is 2 and 2, but in the center we have minus 4. So minus 2 and minus 2 means minus 4. So it is x square minus 2x minus 2x plus 4. Minus 2x means minus 4x. So now we find out the common factors in these both first expression and these both last expression. So in the first, the common is x. So remainder is x minus 2. Like as in the last, the common is minus 2. So remainder x here also minus 2. So now we find out again common in first and last expression. So these both contain x minus 2. So common is x minus 2. So remainder is in the first x, in the last minus 2. So x minus 2 and x minus 2 are the required factors. So this much for today and thanks for watching.